The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sonoma County Department of Emergency Management. It has been reported that small objects of light are falling from the sky and creating fires when landing on the ground, causing widespread fires in the area. All residents in Sonoma County must evacuate now. Choosing not to evacuate puts your life in extreme danger, as buildings will be burned and destroyed. Make sure to bring necessary items for your evacuation, including non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries or a hand-cranked radio. If you are unable to evacuate, call the local authorities and they will assist you in evacuating. Do not touch the falling objects, as they will set you on fire. Although these objects can't be destroyed with water, more thousands of these objects have been reported falling in the area, and massive fires are already taking place. Evacuate now.